Due to popular demand, let's take another look at Shiba Inu. This is the daily chart for Shiba. The data I have is to 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on October the 7th. Shiba broke out consolidations around the second week in May. It ran from 501 all the way to 4034 in a matter of about 1 week. That's just incredible on very strong buying value. And then just as quick as the price ran up, it retraced. And in a matter of about 10 days, it dropped all the way down to 507 or about 78% retracement. And then started to trade sideways or consolidate. If we look at the Bollinger Band, the Bollinger Band get overextended when Shiba ran up, and the minute it started to retrace, the Bollinger Band contracted. Since the first week in June all the way until the beginning of October, so for the past 4 months, Shiba has pretty much been trading sideways. The longer it takes to consolidate, the more momentum it would build. As you can see, the Bollinger Band get tighter and tighter. And when there are more momentum, the minute the price spike up, it can propel a much faster rise in price. And that is what we are experiencing right now. The Bollinger Band contracted and then it expanded. For the past 5 days, Shiba has been riding the upper band of this Bollinger Band. And right now, Shiba is on the verge of testing the all-time high at 4034. Volume pickup. Stochastic oscillator is showing tremendous momentum. So now the question we have is, will Shiba continue to be able to trend up, or will we see some sort of retracement in the near future? Switch over to the 3 minutes chart. Here we see Shiba was in consolidations. It started spiking up, volume pickup, and it's been on this almost exponential curve in terms of like the run up in price. Yesterday, it tested the all-time high, get rejected, retrace, but buy a step in to support the price. And then every time when the price bounce up, it get rejected. The minute it drop, buy a step in to support it. So on this 3 minute chart, Shiba is in consolidation as part of this ascending triangle. And now we are getting very close to the apex. It's just a matter of time before we see either Shiba can get enough buying support to cross over the all-time high and continue the run, or a rejection at this point could mean the beginning of the retracement. Go back to the daily chart. Right now, the momentum is very strong. If Shiba can get enough buying support and cross over this all-time high and stabilize over that, then there is a very strong possibility that the price can eventually run up. And based on this Fibonacci retracement, I would think there's a potential for it to run up by another 261%. That would take the price to about 408176. At 4034, the market cap is at 13 billion, and a run to 4081 would take the market cap to about 30 billion. That number, I think, is definitely possible, but I don't think it's going to be able to run overnight. More likely, it would do something like this, and will take some time to get there, because the higher the market cap, the slower the run up in price. So that is the upside. On the flip side, a rejection at this all-time high, and if Shiba started to retrace, assuming the rate of the retracement is similar to what happened around the May timeframe, then we could look at Shiba retrace back to about the 78.6%. That would bring it down to about 401. So the upside is 408. Downside is 401. It is extremely difficult for me to guess either way. Right now, it's all depend on momentum, and especially the fear of missing out. If there are a lot more people who want to jump in because they're afraid of missing out, then there is a possibility that the run-up could continue. We'll revisit Shiba again later on tonight or tomorrow. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.